In more news, a 27-year-old man has locked himself in a room in his house with his father's gun. He's locked himself for the past 30 hours now, and last night around 10 o'clock he fired from inside his room at family members. A university topper, the man is believed to be mentally unstable. Police sources have said that the man is not a criminal. He may have deteriorated as his father had stopped his medication some time back. The police are handling the case carefully.
यही स्ट्रेटजी है कि उसके जो कार्ट्रिजेस हैं उनको उसको यूज करे। जो रूम की सिचुएशन है, मैं भी देखकर आया हूँ, रूम की सिचुएशन ऐसी कतई नहीं है कि उसको स्टॉर्म किया जा सके।
All right, NDTV's Kashish Gupta now joins us for the latest on this story. Kashish, quite a delicate situation there. How's the police handling this?
But Bani, it's actually a really bizarre incident. It's now actually close to 32 hours that this boy has locked himself inside the house. You can see behind me all the OB-vans. The media has been here all day yesterday, all night. We've been here waiting for the boy to come out and perhaps give us a clue about why he would take why a well-educated boy, a topper in maths, would take such an extreme step. The village is gripped. We're gripped, and perhaps now the viewers are gripped. But let me show you the pictures that you're seeing right now are of the house. The room that you're seeing right now, the open door, the room that he's locked himself inside is a little further inside. Now, it's the last bullet he fired was last night at around 10 o'clock, at around 10 p.m., but the entire night passed in silence. There was no response from him, no move from him, no move from the police. But this morning, there was a lot of smoke that was coming out of the windows, and it was being said that he has burnt something inside his room, potentially a quilt that he's burnt inside. And just a few minutes earlier, in fact, a fire brigade had parked itself over here, and the hose pipe that you can still see was being used to water down the fire. The police, really quickly, let me tell you, the police are still not going to take any aggressive action. They're just going to wait and watch and make sure that nobody gets hurt in this Operation Rescue Shamim, as it's now being called over here. Bani?
All right, Kashish, so everyone at this point of time really waiting and watching and seeing how that situation will pan out. Many thanks for joining us with that update.
Tuba.com